Hello everyone, here is the second part of this everyday makeup look. The first part of the video is already on my YouTube shorts, so don't forget to check that out. Now I'm taking the Colorbar Flawless Finish Primer and applying it on my face to fill in any visible pores and lines under my eyes. Next, I'm taking the Swiss Beauty Highlighting Primer, just a little bit of it, and dotting it on my cheekbone all the way towards my temple to add some glow to my skin. Next, I am taking the LA Girl Pro HD Concealer and applying it under my eyes and few dots on the dark spots I have on my cheek. Just letting the concealer sit for 2 minutes and then using a concealer brush and gently dabbing it to blend the concealer. Also, I am not taking the concealer too close to my lash line so that my eyes look natural with the natural pigmentation visible close to the lash line. Before setting the concealer with any powder, I am taking the Love Earth Cream Blush and applying it on my cheekbone. Next, I am taking the Wet n Wild Bronzer and applying it on my eyelids so that it looks natural because of the brown tone and also has a shine that looks beautiful under the light. Next, I am taking the Maybelline New York Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder and lightly setting my under eyes. To add some length to my lashes, I am taking the Wet n Wild Mega Length Mascara. Lastly, I am taking the Maybelline New York Sensational Matte Liquid Lipstick and applying it on my lips to give the makeup an everyday natural finish. I hope you loved this video and this makeup look perfect for college and workplaces. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.